Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on a MacBook. Let's get started. This method works on every model of Apple Mac, including MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and more. The first solution is to go to the Wi-Fi icon at the top right side of your screen, switch off the Wi-Fi, and then switch it back on after 30 seconds. This usually resets the connection mechanism and can resolve any temporary issues with connecting to the Wi-Fi. If this works, great. If not, you can try the following steps. Go to the System Preferences tab in the dock of your MacBook and click on it. Then, go to Network and click on it. Next, go to the Advanced settings. Once you click on Advanced, find the Wi-Fi network that you are not able to connect to. Select it, click on it, and then click on the minus button. What this does is remove the Wi-Fi network and any associated settings. So, click on the minus button to remove the Wi-Fi network, then click OK. After that, click Apply to apply the changes. After you have done this, close the settings and restart your Mac. Once your Mac restarts, go to the Wi-Fi network menu, and you will see the same Wi-Fi network appear. Click on it, enter the password, and then click Join. You should now be able to join the network. This seems to work for most people, in my opinion. However, if this doesn't work, go back to System Preferences, then to Network. Make sure your location is set to Automatic. Next, click on Advanced. Go to the TCP/IP tab, and then click Renew DHCP Lease. Finally, click OK, and then hit Apply. Doing this will also renew your lease, which might help solve your problem. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.